Discover the ultimate water activities in Reykjavik, where you can enjoy everything from relaxing boat rides to adrenaline-pumping water sports. Whether you're looking for excitement or relaxation, Reykjavik has it all. Reykjavik, best value whale watching boat tour. Embark on an extraordinary voyage to discover the enchanting wonders of Iceland through our captivating whale watching excursions. Begin your adventure at the historic Old Harbor in downtown Reykjavik, where our expertly guided tours navigate the pristine waters of Faxaflói Bay. Experience the thrill of encountering majestic minke and humpback whales, playful dolphins, elegant harbor porpoises, and the elusive killer whales. Take in the breathtaking panoramic vistas of Reykjavik's awe-inspiring mountains and picturesque islands, while being immersed in a vibrant ecosystem teeming with diverse birdlife. Enjoy the comfort and convenience of warm overalls, and a state-of-the-art boat equipped with spacious and heated indoor cabins, modern toilet facilities, an onboard bar, and compole. Reykjavik, whale watching and Northern Lights combo cruise. Embark on an exquisite whale-watching cruise from Reykjavik, where you can marvel at the majestic minke and humpback whales, harbor porpoises, and white-beaked dolphins in their natural habitat. In the evening, set sail towards the enchanting Faxaflói Bay, where you can witness the breathtaking landscapes of Icelandic mountains and islands while observing the diverse birdlife. As night falls, venture away from the city lights to witness the mesmerizing Northern Lights. Join a 2-hour cruise aboard a heated vessel, where you can relax in the cozy indoor bar, or step out onto the deck in warm overalls to gaze at the stars and celestial wonders. Whale watching cruise. Reykjavik, minke whales, humpback whales, harbor porpoises, white-beaked dolphins. Reykjavik, Northern Lights Yacht Tour. Witness the mesmerizing Northern Lights from the expansive decks of our luxurious yacht during this exhilarating guided tour. This voyage is meticulously crafted for individuals seeking an unparalleled experience of witnessing nature's most spectacular spectacle, the Aurora Borealis. Embark on this adventure with your captain and crew at Reykjavik's historic Old Harbor. Upon boarding, you will embark upon a journey through Faxaflói Bay and along the picturesque coastline of Reykjavik. As we set sail, you will appreciate the serene beauty of the cityscape while enjoying the breathtaking Northern Lights. The panoramic 3-deck layout offers an ideal vantage point for experiencing the radiant hues of the Aurora Borealis. Every seat provides a stunning view of the vibrant greens, pinks, and whites that illuminate the night sky above us. Capture these magical moments by snapping photographs with ease. Should you prefer a more relaxed ambience, venture into the ship's charming bar and lounge area. Here, you can unwind with refreshing drinks and savor delectable snacks under the starry canopy. Enjoy the serenity of the Northern Lights as they dance across the dark expanse of the ocean. This tour promises an unforgettable encounter with one of nature's most enchanting phenomena. Book your spot now and embark on a voyage filled with wonder and awe.